Me also say the bakono after take revising, you know, say tournament bibi wo mu a ebema tournament no ayede. Now rich. Enra 1, 2, 3, 4 games and a course so enra. Now at a glance at the results, Rich, the first thing that hit me as Obia be free Africa and they say, Rich, the African clubs will still have only 1 win at the tournaments.
Alipa.
And
South Africa no me king.
Rich, Ali Africa Real Madrid. Obia may you can't even compete with them. But they be on the international platform this one. And no man could you cry.
So does that mean there's a game African game no? And I kakakra no because
and
as I live for no bobia but I'm call Europa.
You see?
I'm to be more.
And yet kakra. I can't be brave. I mean can't say mention. Rich, the way I'm from football elsewhere, Europe, South America, and I'm saying what the Saudis are doing with money, any of them. The way omo game no are advancing. Now I appreciate efficiency. Now Rich, they pay more attention to details and quality no. So only omo bobo na, you may be good, Ali. But Rich, only more park in the sonano. They will do some little things here. One person on no more you want me to Charlie. These people are not higher. That is sanity. They are well exposed on my travel. They played at the highest level. And but Rich, when they are star players, so omunya bona. Idea when you pack so it will make you think, Charlie.
I say,
yeah,
go for the love one.
Yes.
The city, I would add. A static game now.
Yes.
Let's see as a first goal.
You got it. But for the emoji, so it's only one ever born in the but Rich, I said the air more special now. Professional players here, you know, almost you Charlie Bobby. Rich. See, you know more bona. Or say they be a special anyable. To quite on J1 pass over Pierre. Let's say, but when they touch the ball, come no who's by a studio and say, boy, Kobo will be a wenchi, then see, meaning players be promo to quite when chinny. Players are many job with you. Rich, I'm about them no with you, Gona. Almost say, Charlie, you call when you come no so 2 goals.
You are a professional.
Asa. Even players in the crowd, opposition for the crowd, you have to clap. Simply because, Rich, their own him say, say the game, say the ball, say it also a ball. He does it with some finesse, meaning technique. What you say, this person is above you. Rich, that is what is happening to our African contingent. And yes, a ball you need. But we are not well exposed, and the quality of your players to be game changers, and a little above. For instance, and now with the Messi with the FC Porto. Game on start here. You could clearly see FC Porto a man here, a European team. But Rich, the game changers in the Inter Miami with movements in the game. Yeah, but I show me 2-1. Now everyone is talking about Lionel Messi and the all year our tournament film. Rich, me, I don't see anything giddy bia. But the Messi free kick is special, Rich. Look at the numbers. 866 goals. 384 assists, 68 free kicks. And Enra, was the 68th. So when you Messi free kick you can watch it on the tactical board. Right. Upon said over penalty. And only the Emma free kick way. Omo come once and be after the time now free kick in about one. Rich, the game was 1-1. And your game 2-1. It is thanks to this moment from Lionel Messi. And this is what you call game changer. Rich. There's another angle to it. So special. So special. Ebi muso ye mlemu goalkeeper because baby I know jina na wa na ode ball share ye. I'm say massa.
Maybe ode share.
Sometimes the accuracy and the precision of the angle.
Emfa.
Obedi and wakwa akwachi. You starting game na Rich. Anche NFC portfolio nya penalty. Wa oni passamu bejina ho. E kakakra bi kan ta keeper na ball. But the ball had punch. Throughout the first half, Bona Inter Miami no more ball. Rich, Harry will lose his ball no more. But in the second half, experience is experience. Ever team Etikana Ushe on first goal now. Rich, it started from 10 years Sergio Busquets a year or 51. Rich, you clap for him. Now, these kind of players and with more experience, sometimes only more boba, the Messi, no, Rich. And see, that is how Omo ever take a share FC portfolio. And when they go for Cholo Munya and maybe 2 years, make a Atletico Madrid almost a 3-1. Abante Fende Pablo and OJ Barrios on OJ man of the match with super performance and goes or share. And see, team my friend Atletico Madrid after losing to Paris Saint-Germain, a second opportunity and more other results, Now, then came the upset of the tournament. Before I go tournament, now after supercomputer, they say Paris Saint-Germain. They played on first game against Atletico Madrid. Rich, from dominated them and scored them. And against Bavato, they're going to win. Rich, this guy is called Igor Jesus. And I'm not going to say, Urban Nottingham Forest. I'm going to Urban Nottingham Forest. Now, Enra, no any go no, Emma the Brazilians, And the way you run the show, already share goal. Me say go for baby any game ni bi anhwe because of the time na you game. You game 1 a.m. Rich. Almost say go for adwuma. Who will predict Paris Saint-Germain will lose this game? They also be avoid do be win go over 1.5. Until them show 2-0. Now they go over 1.5 for winning the bet, To say 1-0 against Paris Saint-Germain, Rich say Bibia, and then they are games, and they start with team the Chelsea Football Club, Omone Flamingo, and an elbow. Now, Rich, so Usha Chelsea will group from woman. And say in the first match, both Chelsea and Flamingo share their weapon boys in the group. Now, so Obeso will be first in the group, and in the game now. Already, Georgina Bobo Tiabaka say, on what Chelsea did that. Only the way Chelsea here, but Oba Flamingo, also players Danilo, Alexander, they are very good players. Or Gini say, and yes, Chelsea won Europa. On who's Chelsea, a team be a bro Flamingo. So, and that is what Abante Feno, Georgino Aquacoke, and Rich. If you watch Omo team train, any of the players that are available to them, you can only sound a caution to Chelsea say, Omo money now. They should be very careful. Rich, this is the Chelsea team I expect and normally we room. The only change from the first game of Mobo will be Trevor Chalobah coming in for Thorson and I expect apart from that the Rhys James Kukwera in fifth year of Moscasedo, Romeo Lavia, then the ways of Noni Madueke, and in Neto, Nako Pala Ebo number 10 behind the striker Nicholas Jackson. Now, so only Flamingo team now, that is what I am talking about. They have Jorginho, they have Poga, they have Gerson. Rich, this is a very, very good team. And Oshe, Omo Power 11 now, it means Danilo Nyaboni Bimbo, Alexander Nyaboni Bimbo. And these are very, very experienced customers when it comes to football. And I am expecting a tough fight for Chima, your friend in Chelsea. Look, this is my advice on one person which I bet else I game win. And Chelsea fans don't move here. I am not saying Chelsea intimidates Flamingo, no. But I'm giving a betting tip. Betting tip, and they say, Rich Obakaya last 2 days, maybe catch you say, Real Madrid the Ayala game. No? Ayala have very good players. Every one show Muntunu so Modi, but they have very, very good players. And this game, no, people must be careful. Rich, why don't you go for goals in this game? Expecting so. Chelsea, our players are making goals. Flamingo players are making goals. Now, someone go on who will win. So you will see kind of what with you. So we support around the emotions and support to team. I don't have a problem. But so we see who will see kind of social media. Rich, I think so you must be careful about Flamingo against Chelsea game. You know. Yeah, they say semi-professional. Buy a show with 10. It's a little bit expensive. Benfica, and I'm a it's either Benfica Benfica 4 or 5, and one will be expected. It's a game we expect Benfica and Pablo Money, Di Maria to win. Now, team from Los Angeles, our Mulusu to Chelsea in the airborne second game, and it's again African club, ES Tunis, and our airborne rich. When I mean Africa for the new money, and at least I'll go for a double chance for Los Angeles FC for the set Omo Ebetimi Ede Ashe Omo Ewoho. Now. First game na Bayern a boy, you know. Na enye test mo. The real test is against Boca Juniors. A game on Mabona how much one. Until by the time no more game now, that is why it is on the tactical board. Rich, saying I'll give you a bit Miyako. I think that Bayern still may have the firepower and the quality to beat Boca Juniors for now. Though a better an upgrade of a test than the Omunya in the first game, you know, but even though they will come with a much bigger test, you know, I think that Bayern do have the quality. Say, everything after Boca Juniors for no. See, when I mean some requirement, I remember code. Na EMF, na EMF come MSL, and then if you come with it because there, and they feel our hopeless. Yeah, yeah, something. You go, client won't be free. Client be. Remember the actual.
I'll go with Messi.
Oh, you know, I say, no, you want to answer.
What you know?
And want to chill, I say. I say, come with you, no, one swamp pigeon. Oh, I'm not.
Opedrete no more. I say, oh.
It's a kind of different.
What to Swanka?
Am I a Jew? Yeah, but tell me, I come over here.
My home client.
What was our client?
It's a home schedule. Said you want to be here. You want to be here.
Free buy and so I give you a bed. Yes, I'm not.
You want to be here. I bet you. Bob, I won't say, yeah.
You're the proposal, man. Or cover with us. Say, the other, okay, the mammy and come off for them and said, I'm in front of Tom. Say, let me be a fan one. And so, I'm going to your mamma be you. So,
we have a gentleman.
And you will cleanse you up a pow.
I see.
Oh, yeah. He wanted to do it. He thinks our point to be to prove from the other side too.
Yeah.
And
I will see the Nanka upgrade.
Oh, yes.
Upgrade.
Encourage one Kobe. Michelle, Mom, you're interested in Betway course, no? These are the 3 Betway courses, and then numbers in a different kakra. Until Uti already are 200F 4980. 200F 4980. Second one, 200F 5B8A. 200F5B8A, and the last one is 200F72AD. 200F72AD. And these are the three better courses. Ubetimi Afana, Otimi, Eddie, Aye, or you have to say. It's 2,000 or so, no so. And the first winner for school, no. And number is 0555-407 and a training situator 0555-407 and a training situator. The American just school near Cho, and it's can go for you into Kabi. Now also so Eddie, now a Pesica, a far a share over to Rich. I am referring.
It started from the GPL transfers.
I know my ACC now.
I mean, I know who players are move free because of sir. Okay. Any common name. And if I'm a catch us as say, Jumadino, I want to transfer, sir.